The Gracia Fashion Awards 2025 just took place, and the red carpet was nothing short of a fashion spectacle. From classic elegance to daring statements, let's break down who wore what at this glamorous event. And wait till you see what Urfi Javed brought to the red carpet this time. It's bound to stir up conversations. Welcome back to another episode of Who Wore What, where we decode celebrity fashion in style. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion breakdowns. Tamanna Bhatia. Tamanna made a striking entrance in an oversized burgundy blazer and trousers from the Frankie shop, paired with a sheer brown shirt and a brown leather jacket from Orally Tokyo from their Spring-Summer 2025 collection. A bold androgynous take on power dressing. Interestingly, this exact ensemble was seen at Milan Fashion Week just days ago. Coincidence or a well-planned fashion moment? Either way, she owned it. The actress completed her look with a long gold necklace and Christian Louboutin heels, and her messy wavy hair gave the perfect finishing touch to her outfit. She was also awarded the one and only Style Icon of the Year, solidifying her position as a true fashion trailblazer. Malaika Arora. Malaika arrived in a cocktail gown by Bibhu Mohapatra, crafted with luxurious veil and velvet fabrics. The crochet skirt added a touch of vintage glamour, while the cutout tool inside detail created a bold yet chic leg reveal. She paired her outfit with an emerald and gold braid necklace and earrings by Zoya Jewels, adding an exquisite touch of elegance. To complete the look, she wore platform satin Medusa sandals from Versace. With a sleek back hairstyle and aura that is simply unmatched, Malaika looked hot, sexy, and undeniably confident. Khushi Kapoor. Khushi Kapoor was a vision of opulence in a shimmering gold off-shoulder gown with a cowl neckline. Designed by Vivienne Westwood from his 2022 bridal couture collection. The design draws inspiration from ancient Greek statues featuring a sculptural silhouette that exudes elegance. The gown was crafted from shimmering mesh fabric resembling chainmail, giving it a distant goddess-like feel. She accessorized with Lady Mini Dior bag with square embroidery and stunning Cartier jewelry from their signature Trinity collection. To complete her regal look, she styled her hair in soft waves, exuding effortless glamour. Interestingly, back in September last year, her sister Janhvi Kapoor opted for a similar gilded mesh gown by Gaurav Gupta, proving that both sisters share an impeccable taste for ethereal metallic couture. Tejasvi Prakash. Tejasvi turned heads in a captivating dual-tone gown, blending bold red with deep black in a stunning trumpet silhouette by Manika Nanda. The off-shoulder design featured a dramatic oversized bow at the back, adding a couture flair that accentuated her graceful frame. She looked absolutely gorgeous, exuding a perfect blend of elegance and drama. To elevate her ensemble, she accessorized with a classic diamond tennis necklace and a grand tennis bracelet by DI Designs, adding sparkle and sophistication to her overall look. Her radiant presence lit up the red carpet, proving once again that she's a true fashionista. Vamika Gabi. Vamika arrived at the event wearing a stunning nightfall corset top paired with a Nova skirt by Moonray. She gave a dramatic edge to her ensemble with a sheer face cover, highlighting only her captivating eyes and adding a layer of mystique. Her footwear of choice, Christian Louboutin heels, but the real jaw-dropper? Her Y couture handpiece worth a staggering 72 lakhs rupees by Aprim Jewels, complemented by an ear cuff valued at 5 lakhs rupees. Vamika shone with effortless charm, making her high fashion look natural. She served avant-garde elegance like no other. Truly one of the most memorable looks of the evening. Urfi Javed. And of course, Urfi Javed never shies away from bold fashion, and this time was no different. She stunned in a sculptural creation by Blony Atelier, featuring a bodysuit encrusted with raw crystals, symbolizing Earth's untouched crust. She paired it with a sleek rubber skirt and finished the look with the dramatic earrings by Radhika Agrawal jewels. Love it or not, you cannot ignore it. Urfi is pushing the envelope, turning the red carpet into a platform for futuristic art. And honestly, we're here for it. Tripti Dimri. Tripti brought understated glamour with a bold edge in a custom black tulle halter gown by Gauri and Nanika. The gown featured a romantic tie-up sash at the neck and a flowy, form-flattering silhouette that moved beautifully. She paired it with sheer stockings from Hunka Moller and classic Christian Louboutin heels, keeping the look effortlessly chic. Her accessories added the perfect finishing touch. Elegant earring tracks from Anmol Jewelers, Diosa Paris and the Golden Window, along with a sleek ear cuff by Ayana Silver Jewelry. With soft smoky eyes, nude glossy lips, Tripti embodied modern elegance with ease. Ehsaas Channa. Ehsaas made a fierce statement at the Tira Grazia Fashion Awards. She impressed everyone in a bold, metal fire-inspired dress, a hand-embellished piece, repurposed with metallic ornaments and chains, a creation by Grain World. She paired it with black stockings and finished the look with earrings from Radhika Agrawal jewels. But the real conversation starter? Her chain-studded nails. Edgy, unconventional and absolutely unforgettable. The look screamed rebel girl energy, aligning perfectly with Ehsaas' rising persona as a bold new voice in fashion. She didn't just wear an outfit, she embodied an attitude. Jasmine Bhasin. Jasmine brought sunshine to the party, radiating confidence and elegance in the most effortless way. She wore the beautiful sherry dress by Self-Centered, a mermaid-style silhouette that hugged her figure and cascaded into flowing lace details from the knee down. The soft black fabric and intricate lace created a dreamy ethereal moment on the red carpet. To add contrast and a pop of color, she paired her look with emerald earrings by Rabta by Rahul, which added just the right amount of sparkle. The balance of timeless glam and fresh vibrance made this one of Jasmine's most memorable red carpet moments. She didn't just dress up, she truly aced the look. Samantha Ruth. Samantha made a graceful yet powerful entrance at the Tira Grazia Fashion Awards in a custom creation by Kresha Bajaj, one of her go-to designers and a close friend. Her outfit featured a structured black strapless corset layered seamlessly with a sheer shirt underneath, and sharp black trousers, giving it a blend of elegance and boss girl edge. Samantha often opts for Kresha's design, but this look felt extra personal and intentional. With minimal makeup and effortless hair, she let her natural charm and commanding aura take center stage. But what really piqued her interest? The unique rings that she was spotted wearing. Absolutely eye-catching, and unlike anything we have seen recently. If anyone knows where those rings are from, let me know in the comments. Is this subtle statement details that reminds us why Samantha never fails to leave a lasting impression on the red carpet. Nikita Datta. Nikita looked like a vision in an ethereal ensemble at the Grazia Fashion Awards 2025. She arrived wearing a stunning Mara dress by Mont Sand, featuring a structured corset bodice with delicate lace that flowed beautifully from the waist down. The new toned flare and sheer panels gave the entire outfit a soft angelic glow, subtle yet striking. She accessorized the look with neckpiece and rings from Prata Jewels and Niramya Jewels, adding a hint of sparkle without taking away from the dreamlike elegance of the outfit. Her hairstyle, a sleek wet look finish, brought in a modern edge and framed her features perfectly. The overall vibe was minimal yet majestic, and Nikita carried it with a kind of poise that makes you stop and stare. Nusrat Bharucha. Nusrat brought modern minimalism to the red carpet and absolutely nailed it. She wore a sleek white draped bunny top paired with a high slit sequin skirt by Gomez Gracia London. The look was effortlessly stylish, understated yet impactful, with just the right amount of edge. What stood out was the clean silhouette and how well it flattered her frame without trying too hard. To elevate the minimalism, she opted for elegant pieces from Hazuri Lal Legacy Jewelry, adding just enough sparkle to bring the outfit to life. Her hair and makeup kept with the clean aesthetic, sleek, fresh, and on point. Nusrat's look was a reminder that you don't need layers of embellishment to shine. Sometimes, simplicity makes the boldest statement. So that was your front row pass to the most iconic fashion moments from the Grazia Fashion Awards 2025. Which look stole your heart? Are you team classic glam or team bold and experimental? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your take on fashion. And if you love this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon because there's so much more coming your way. From red carpet recaps to celebrity inspired budget finds. We're just getting started. See you in the next one.